Hi, for my final project, I worked on procedurally generating terrain. This was accomplished in a couple of steps. First, started by creating a Perlin noise generator, which chooses pseudo-random values that give a more natural appearance. Second, I created a fractional Brownian motion implementation, which adds customizability to the randomness. Specifically, in this case, the number of octaves, which is the number of times that the noise is sampled for a specific point. I implemented different colors based on the height of each point to help show things like water, sand, grass, etc. And then I created two implementations for generating random terrain infinitely as you progress through the world. So first, to demonstrate what the world looks like if you generate using completely random noise. As you can see, it's very jagged and not very useful. But when we create random terrain, using fractional Brownian motion and Perlin noise, we get these much more organic looking shapes that are much more believable for a world. So to increase the number of octaves here, that's 6, 7. This is 8 different, and finally 9 octaves. And as you can see, there are much more nuances and detail that start to take shape in these random terrains. And to demonstrate moving through this infinite world. So as you can see, as we continuously move forward, more new and new terrain shows up. The thing is that in this first implementation, it's actually not new terrain that's being generated. As we can see with these magenta lines, this is the boundary of a grid of terrains where as you progress from one column to the next, the column behind the camera is rendered in front of us so that it looks as if new terrain is popping up in front of us, but it's in fact the same old terrain over and over again. And now to demonstrate actually rendering new terrain in front of us. And you can see we have that slight lag, and that's from this new terrain being rendered and computed. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my project.